Hello friends, today I will tell you how to place an image inside the title. Here you can see how I put my image inside the title. So I will show you how to do it in Photoshop. It's a very small trick and a very easy process. You can try with any image, any title. So as per your requirement. So let's start it from here. So this is the image. This image I shot in Mumbai during the monsoon, during my travel photography. So I'm using this image for my this tutorial. First, we have to make a duplicate layer here. The image we have to make a duplicate here layer, and then another layer we have to keep it as a solid color here. Let's keep it white first, and then we'll place a title title in the title layer. So I'm taking Arial black. I believe that will look nice. Arial black, and we'll keep it maximum size. Nature, let's keep it nature. So we can keep it white, and then we have to place this solid layer color inside in between the main layer and the duplicate layer image. Keep in mind so that I can see the title as well. I make two title layers, so I have to delete one. So let's resize it as bigger as you can keep it. So okay, now I have to place this layer. I have to place this layer, duplicate layer image layer upside the title. And now we have to clip masking. It's option plus you have to press just down the layer mask, like image layer mask. Okay, just clip it up from the title layer, and now we have to place it like option plus click here. See this, and you can get it from here also. This create a clipping mask, and I'm telling you the shortcut keys and the layer window and the clipping mask. Create a clipping mask. I'll click it, option plus. You have to press it here, just down the image layer. Once do it, it will show inside the title bar. So you can see, I can see my image inside the title bar, and now we have to change the solid layer color. We can keep any color. We can, first we have to put the, shadow in the title bar. Drop shadow. Just double click on the layer, title layer, and you will get this window. And just click on the box, drop shadow, you will get it. And then you have to just hold the shadow, and wherever you want you can keep it. It will be easier step. Usually we do it on the window size, like this 10 size. But we can do it with the mouse as well, manually. As per your requirement, you can change any feather of the shadow, distance and color, anything. So I believe this will look nice. So I'm keeping black shadow. Just increasing the size from here so that I can see the sky as well and the beach as well. See this. This is just an example I'm telling you. You can keep it as a whatever you want as per your requirement. If you want to place an image, like any model image or any face inside the title bar, you can do that as well. Now what we have to do it, just we have to change the solid layer color. You can select the color from your image as well and the color bar as well. Whatever color you want, you can keep it as per your requirement, and you can pick the color from the image as well. See this. I believe black is also looking nice, but sometime if you required any brighter color, you can do that as well, as per your that image should look nice. The brighter color is also looking nice, and the darker is also looking nice. But keep in mind, whenever you place the darker color, then shadow is also has to be different color so that it will be visible. See, I kept it, and it's not visible, so we have to make it normal from here. So now we can change the color whatever we want. See this. So here we can place the stroke as well, the outer line, and we can increase the size as well. Keep trying. So now I believe that color should be something else, like background color should be something else. So I believe this is looking nice, and if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here you can keep trying with other image. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Thank you very much.